Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, lots to talk about tonight. We've got some very cold air now, even colder air for later in the week. Rivers are rising because of all the rain we had as we rung in the new year, and now the potential for our first snow of the season on Thursday. And if that's not enough, we're going to warm up to some rain and maybe even some thunder for the upcoming weekend. But today was very cold. High temperatures were generally 30 to 35, a good 10 degrees below normal. But at least tomorrow we'll rebound back to normal, but for just one day. Live first warning Doppler radar is dry, and that will be the case until Thursday morning. That's when it looks like some scattered snow at the very least will be working into the area. That's my first warning focus for tonight, the potential for accumulating snow on Thursday that would more than likely begin in the morning and then end later in the afternoon. So it could be more of an issue for the afternoon commute versus the morning, but if it gets in early enough, it could be an issue all day long. But it does look mainly like a daytime event. And accumulation is certainly possible. The models, though, are still not in agreement. We have some that are totally dry and others that give us as much as 4 inches in portions of the tri-state, but a couple of the really dry models are coming in this evening with at least a little bit of snow. So they are trending now more towards the snowier guidance. But with 4 inches, the upper end, this does not look like a major winter storm. It will be a winter weather advisory for portions of the tri-state if this trend holds. What I do have high confidence in is the cold air that's going to be coming in behind this front starting Wednesday afternoon. Frigid temperatures Thursday and Friday running about 20 degrees below the averages for this time of the year. Because of all the rain we had ringing in the new year, rivers are rising. I think minor flooding will be pretty common along most area rivers. Here in Evansville, the Ohio is going to go just below flood stage Saturday night at 41.3. Mount Carmel going to around 21 feet, 23 feet expected at Calhoun, just under 21 feet at Petersburg, and the Little Wabash holding steady below flood stage at Carmi. We'll update these again tomorrow. Skies are clear now in the metro. A live view from the northeast side of Henderson on our Heads Construction tower camera, our Superior Ag tower camera downtown Evansville with a temperature of 25. That's now our low for the day, but we have a south wind beginning to kick in, so temperatures won't be falling that much more overnight. We're in the mid to upper 20s. We'll go low to mid 20s here over the next few hours. Still a few clouds hanging on down here in Muhlenberg and western Ohio counties, but the high pressure is eroding those away. We've got a quiet day tomorrow, and even with the front coming through Wednesday, no precipitation expected until we get into Thursday. So mostly sunny, breezy, and much warmer tomorrow. Highs will be back to normal in the mid-40s, forecasting 45 here in the Evansville metro. And this could be the nicest day out of the next 7, so take advantage of it. Skies tomorrow night will be turning partly cloudy. It'll be windy, not too cold. We'll be in the low 30s by sunup on Wednesday before the dry cold front comes through later in the morning, briefly clearing us out. But our high is going to be low 40s in the morning and then falling off in the afternoon as the clouds begin to move back in. And then the clouds continue to increase Wednesday night as temperatures fall to around 20 by daybreak on Thursday. And now our future tracker model, which was dry with the previous run, is painting a band of snow developing Thursday morning into the afternoon, heaviest in western Kentucky, and then beginning to pull away later in the day. So if that verifies, it looks like certainly some accumulation, especially for western Kentucky, maybe not quite as much in our northern counties, but high temperatures only in the low to mid 20s on Thursday as that scattered snow moves through the area. So mainly clear overnight, low 20s. Tomorrow mostly sunny, breezy, and much warmer. Will be in the mid 40s. 7-day forecast, mix of sun and clouds on Wednesday, windy and turning colder. A late morning high in the low 40s. And then a winter weather aware tag for Thursday and Friday. We're putting it Thursday for the snow developing in the morning, ending later in the afternoon. It looks like some accumulation likely for parts of the tri-state. 24 the high. We start Friday at 7, a high of only 23. But by Saturday afternoon, we're back to normal in the mid 40s, but we're warming up to showers and a few thunder showers peaking Saturday night and then ending probably sometime Sunday morning. So the trends with the guidance this evening is to go with some accumulation on Thursday, probably an inch or two. Looks like at the most 1 to 4 inches. We'll see if that trend holds, but it's looking more and more like our first measurable snow of the season later this week.
Sure we'll be all ears during your forecast.
Much later than normal this year, yeah.
Thanks a lot, Wayne.